Activating Xaman Wallet is a straightforward process that allows you to securely store, manage, and interact with cryptocurrencies. Here's how to activate your wallet. Download and install Xaman Wallet. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Xaman Wallet. Download and install the wallet app on your mobile device. Open the app. Launch the Xaman Wallet app and tap Create Wallet if you're setting up a new wallet, or choose Restore Wallet to import an existing wallet using your recovery phrase. Set up a secure PIN. You'll be prompted to create a PIN for added security. This PIN will be used to access your wallet each time you open the app. Some versions of the app may also offer biometric authentication for additional security. Back up your recovery phrase. Xaman Wallet will generate a 12 or 24-word recovery phrase. Write this down and store it securely in a safe location. This recovery phrase is essential for restoring your wallet if your device is lost or damaged. Start using the wallet. Once the wallet is activated, you can begin adding assets, sending or receiving cryptocurrencies, and managing your portfolio.